How to set ChatGPT as your default search engine on iPhone or iPad. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can set up ChatGPT as your default search engine on Safari application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open App Store on your device. Make sure that you have the updated version of ChatGPT application installed on your device. If not, then update the application first. Now, the second thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your device. You can follow the same steps on iPhone because I'm using an iPad, but the method is the same. You need to scroll down where you will find the Safari application. You need to tap on that. Here you will find the option extension. You need to tap on that. Here ChatGPT search, you need to tap on it, and here allow extensions. You can allow in private browsing as well if you want to, but that is not needed. Now, you need to go back to Safari application. Now, whatever you will search here, suppose how to get rid of dandruff, you search that, instead of it giving you the search result here on the Safari application, it will redirect you to ChatGPT and you will find the result of this search on ChatGPT. So guys, this is all it takes to set up a ChatGPT is the default search engine on iPhone or iPad. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.